I'm Victoria of Victoria Hamilton Lifestyle. I work in the personal styling space as an identity and style coach, which for me blends perfectly personal styling, life coaching and style coaching. It doesn't matter if you're, a C-suite executive or you're on the school run mum, whatever you are in your, life is how you should want to dress. And really that intentional piece of dressing for joy is a game changer. The changing room is my style community, which is part of my From Stress to Dressed membership. You have the community aspect, which is the changing room, and you then have a digital app on your phone, which for those who remember the film Clueless, this is your own very own share moment of having that digital wardrobe app where you can actually catalogue everything that you own. There's style guides, there's shopping links every month, there's Ask Me Anything style clinics. So it's a place of bringing women together who are ready to invest in themselves and say, yes, I want to show up as me, let's do this.